Hey everyone! Welcome back to Mr. Learning Channel, your friendly place to enjoy real English conversations.
Hi there, I'm Alex.
And I'm Mia. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Yeah, thanks for joining. If you enjoy listening to simple, natural English conversations, make sure to subscribe to our channel and stay with us every day.
Yes, because here we talk just like real friends do about everyday topics you can use in your own life.
And today's topic is something we all experience every single day.
Oh, yes. We're talking about weather and seasons.
Right, the weather. It changes every day, and sometimes it can really change your mood too.
That's true. So, Alex, how's the weather where you are today?
Let me see. It's actually a bit cloudy today. Not too cold, not too hot, just a little cool breeze.
That sounds nice. I love that kind of weather when it's not too warm and not too cold.
Yeah, perfect for a walk or a coffee outside. What about you, Mia? What's the weather like where you are?
Oh, today is sunny here. The sky is really blue and I can see some small white clouds. It feels warm, but not too hot. I think it's about 25 degrees Celsius.
Oh, wow, that sounds great. You must be enjoying it.
I am. I opened my window this morning and felt the fresh air. It just makes me feel happy.
Yeah, good weather can really make your day better.
True. I always feel more active when the weather is sunny, but when it's raining, I just want to stay in bed and watch movies.
Same here. Rainy days make me lazy too. I just want to sit with a blanket and drink hot coffee or tea.
Oh, yes. Hot tea on a rainy day, that's the best feeling.
Totally agree. So tell me, Mia, do you like rain?
Mm, I have mixed feelings. I like the sound of rain, it's relaxing, but I don't like going out when it's raining. My shoes always get wet.
Yeah, I know that feeling. It's fun to watch rain from inside the house, but not fun when you have to walk outside in it.
Exactly. Especially when you forget your umbrella.
Oh no, that's the worst. Have you ever been caught in heavy rain without an umbrella?
Oh, yes, many times. One time I was coming home from work and suddenly it started raining heavily. I tried to run, but I was completely wet when I reached home.
Oh no, that must have been cold.
It was. I had to change all my clothes immediately. But after that, I made some hot chocolate and it felt so good.
That sounds cozy. Actually, I kind of like rain when I'm at home. It's peaceful. The sound on the windows, the smell of wet earth.
Oh, yes. That smell after rain, it's amazing. What do you call it? I think there's a word for that smell, right?
Yeah, it's called petrichor. It means the smell of the ground when rain falls after a dry time.
Oh, that's a beautiful word. Petrichor. Slowly. I didn't know that. Thanks, Alex.
You're welcome. So, what's your favorite kind of weather?
I think I love spring weather. Not too hot, not too cold, just soft sunshine, flowers everywhere, and the air feels fresh.
Oh, spring is wonderful. The trees become green again and everything looks alive.
Exactly. It feels like a new beginning. Smiles. What about you? Which season do you like the most?
Hmm. I think I like autumn. You know, when the leaves turn orange, red, and yellow, it looks so beautiful.
Oh, yes. Autumn colors are so pretty. Pause. Do you enjoy cold weather?
A little bit, yes. I like wearing warm clothes, sweaters, scarves, and jackets. It feels cozy, but when it's too cold, I start missing the sun.
Same here. I love winter clothes, but I don't love freezing mornings.
Yeah, getting out of bed on a cold morning is so hard.
So true. Laughs. I remember last winter, I didn't want to leave my blanket at all. I even worked from my bed sometimes.
That sounds like a dream. But yes, winter mornings are tough.
But winter also has its good parts, like hot soup, warm drinks, and holidays.
Oh, yes, absolutely. And snow. Do you get snow where you live?
Smiles. No, not really. It doesn't snow here, but I've seen snow when I traveled to Japan a few years ago.
Oh, really? How was it?
Oh, it was magical. Everything was white. The trees, the rooftops, it looked like a painting. I even made a small snowman.
That's so nice. I remember the first time I saw snow, I couldn't stop smiling. It felt like I was in a movie.
Yes, that's exactly how I felt too. I think snow makes everyone happy, especially kids.
True. But snow can also make things difficult, like walking or driving.
Oh, yeah, I slipped once on ice when I was walking. Laughs. It was embarrassing, but also funny.
That happens to everyone in winter, I think.
So, Alex, do you like summer?
Summer. I like it, but sometimes it's too hot. I enjoy summer evenings, though, when the sun goes down and it's warm but not burning.
Oh, yes. Summer evenings are beautiful. The light is soft and you can go for walks or eat ice cream outside.
Oh, I love ice cream in summer. What's your favorite flavor?
Chocolate. Always chocolate. And you?
Vanilla with strawberries. Simple and fresh.
Sounds delicious.
Summer also means longer days. I like that. More sunlight, more time to do things.
True, but the heat can be difficult sometimes.
Yeah, especially when it's very humid. You just feel tired all day.
Yes, I remember last summer it was so hot that I couldn't sleep at night. I had to use a fan and open all the windows.
Oh no, I know that feeling. But sometimes I still enjoy summer because it feels full of energy. People go to beaches, wear bright clothes, and eat cold drinks and fruit.
Yeah, I love summer fruits. Watermelon, mangoes, strawberries, so yummy.
Oh yes, watermelon is my favorite summer fruit. It's so refreshing.
Me too. I could eat it every day in summer.
So we've talked about spring, summer, autumn, and winter, all 4 seasons. Each one has something special.
That's true. Spring has flowers, summer has sunshine, autumn has colors, and winter has snow.
Nicely said.
Sometimes I think the weather can change your feelings too.
Yeah, I agree. Sunny weather makes people happy, rain makes people calm or sleepy.
And cloudy days sometimes make me a little quiet, like I just want to stay home and read a book.
Yeah, the weather really affects us. Pause. Do you remember any special day because of the weather?
Actually, yes. I remember one spring day. I was walking in the park and it started raining lightly. Everyone ran away, but I stayed. The rain was soft and warm and it felt wonderful.
That sounds amazing, like a movie scene.
Yeah, maybe. I just felt free and happy in that moment. What about you?
Let me think. Oh, once I saw a double rainbow after a storm. It was so bright and beautiful, I still remember it clearly.
Oh, wow. That must have been amazing. Rainbows always make me smile.
Me too. They remind me that good things can come after the storm.
That's a lovely thought, Alex.
Thanks. Pause. You know, weather also connects people. It's one of the first things we talk about when we meet someone new.
Yes, it's such an easy topic. Everyone can talk about it.
Exactly. Even when we don't know someone well, we can say, nice weather today, or it's really cold, isn't it?
Yes, it's like a friendly way to start a conversation.
And that's what we're doing right now. Two new friends talking about the weather and seasons.
That's true. So, Alex, if you could choose, what kind of weather would you want every day?
That's a hard question. Maybe I'd choose warm sunshine with a little wind. Not too hot, not too cold.
That sounds perfect. I'd choose the same. Maybe with a little rain sometimes, just to make it fresh.
Yeah, a little rain is good. Nature needs it too.
Absolutely. And without rain, we wouldn't have those beautiful green trees and flowers.
True. Every type of weather has a reason.
Yeah. You know, I think we learn a lot from weather about change, patience, and enjoying the moment.
That's a beautiful way to say it, Mia.
Thanks.
And so, listeners, what about you? What's the weather like where you are right now?
And which season do you like the most? Spring, summer, autumn, or winter?
Tell us in the comments. We'd love to know how it feels in your country today.
And don't forget to subscribe to Mr. Learning Channel for more fun and easy English conversations every week.
Yeah, join us again next time for another friendly talk that helps you learn English in a natural way.
Until then, enjoy your day, and whatever the weather is, find something beautiful in it.
Nicely said, Mia.
Thanks, Alex.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. See you next time.